Welcome to social class video session. In today's session, we are going to learn about child safety. Let us go into the session. In this session, we are going to learn about child safety. In the family, school, and community, children should be fully protected so they can survive, grow, learn, and develop to their fullest potential. Millions of children are not fully protected. Many of them deal with violence, abuse, neglect, exploitation, expulsion, and or discrimination every day. Child safety area concerned with limiting children's exposure to hazards and reducing children's risk of harm. Child safety helps to reduce their vulnerability in harmful situations. It also means protecting children against social, physiological, and emotional insecurity and distress. Child protection is relevant for all settings: home, school, neighborhood, community, and institutional residential care, etc. Let us learn more information about child safety by the conversation between father, son, and daughter. Father is reading the newspaper while the son and daughter peeps into the paper and finds an advertisement of Childline 1098. Chan asked a question to father. Dad, what does this Childline number mean? Father, Childline number is a helpline number for children under the age of 18. Daughter, oh, do they help children in doing their homework? Father, haha, no dear, it helps children who are in need of help and care. Son, I didn't know about this. Father, Childline service was first established as project in the year 1996. Later, between 1998 to 99, Childline was established all across India under the Ministry of Women and Child Development. So, Child Helpline helps children who are in need of care and protection. Childline was first established as a project in the year 1996. Childline helps children under the age of 18 who work as laborers. Son, it has been there for a very long time then. Father, yes. In May 2013, Childline in Ahmedabad rescues around 16 children who were working in various parts of the city. Child labor is an offense in India. So what does mean rescue? Rescue, which refers saves from danger. Daughter, oh, is it? Father, Childline help children who work as laborers or abandoned by the parents or differently abled or live in states. So Childline help those who are the children, those who help need. Son, how do they exactly know where and how children need help? Father replied, Childline number is 1098. One can call on this number and ask for help or inform if they find children who need help. Let us know. Integrated Child Development Services, which means ICDS, is a centrally sponsored scheme of Government of India for early childhood care and development. Which is the safest way of traveling? Put right or wrong in the boxes. In the first picture, no one wear a seat belt, so it is a unsafe activity, so you put wrong. In the second picture, you see all are wear the seat belt, so it is a right activity. Then we come for the third one. In the second pair, first one is the right activity, second one is the wrong because more members are in the boat. In the third pair, you see the first activity is wrong and the second one is the right. So I hope you got clear information about child safety. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.